Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Slides. So to get to Google Slides, you're going to click on this box here, Google Apps, go to Slides. And then you notice you have a couple of different templates to choose from. Book report, flashcards, and a blank one, blank template. So for our purposes, we're going to use the blank one. Okay, this is your first slide for your presentation. So let's say you're going to do a presentation about yourself. You want to introduce yourself. So maybe you want to title your first slide All About Me. Okay, and so there is your title. And then it gives you the option to add a subtitle if you would like. Now, up at the top here on the left, it says Untitled Presentation. So you're going to rename it, and it guessed a title there, All About Me, and that will work. So we'll click Enter, and it saves it for you. Now let's say you do not like this white background here. So one thing you could do, you can add a color background. So to do that, you will go to Slide, and then you have different options here. Go down to Change Background, and it gives you different options: color, image. You can choose an image or have a theme. I'll show you that in just a minute. So for color, come over here, click down the little arrow, and you have choices of color. Click one that you would like. Then if you like it, you can go click Done. Alright, let's say you're finished with this slide and you want to add a second slide. So go to Slide and New Slide. Okay, it lets you add another title, and then you can put some text below there. So let's say, since you're talking about yourself, let's have the second slide be about places you like to visit. So we'll give that as the title, Places You Like to Visit. Okay, come over to where it says Click to Add Text. And let's say you'd like to put some bulleted points. So here's your toolbar, and come over to where it says More, and it has 3 dots. You click on that, and then down here, this is where you would come to where it says Bulleted List. Looks like bullet points. Click on that, and there's your first one. So then you type in your first sentence. Places you like to visit. I like to visit Mexico. Okay. Alright. And then you click Enter and put your second bulleted point there for you, and you can click your next sentence. Now let's say you do not like the sentence where it is. You want to move it somewhere else, so highlight it. Then you click Control C for copy. And let's say you want to move it down, say here for example. Then you say Control V, and it moves it for you. Okay, that's a useful feature. So go back and erase the first sentence. Okay. So another option besides changing the color background is themes. Okay, so here it says themes, and then if you scroll down, it'll give you a bunch of different choices of themes that you can choose. Okay, so pick one that you like. So click on one. Okay, places you like to visit. Okay. So notice it changed the theme. Okay, so you just click on it, and then it changes your theme of the background. Okay, another thing that is useful is, let's say you want to comment. So this right here, it says open comment history. Okay, you go to comment, and then you would type in a comment for your classmate's slide or their presentation. Okay, and then if you don't like the comment, click cancel. Okay, let's say you're finished and you want to share it. You could come over here where it says share. Right now it's private to only yourself. Click on share. Okay, and then you come up here where it says get shareable link. And now it says anyone with the link can view. Okay, so this is the link that they will get. Then you type in into their name or their email address for all the people that you want to share it with. Okay, so you would enter that. Let's say you entered that already. They have the shareable link so they can view your presentation. Click done. Okay, so those are the main things I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching.